Hi guys! You probably noticed my eyes are missing a little bit of a makeup because today is gonna be another review / tutorial video, and actually this item I couldn't wait to get my hands on it as I've seen it through all over social media everywhere and I was like, oh my god, I need to try this. So I haven't opened this yet. As always, I want this to be a first impressions review video, and as always I'm not holding back and I'll tell you exactly what I think of it. So this time we're gonna be reviewing and playing with the brand new NYX Love You So Mochi palette I got in the electric pastels. To begin with, the packaging itself super basic, nothing exciting at all, plastic, see-through. The only exciting part about it is the chrome mochi part. I mean, as you see, super simple, super basic, but it's not about packaging, it's about how good the product is and if it's worth your money. So you getting the 10 beautiful pastel metallic colors. We call it electric colors, and I think without any further ado we should just do some swatches. And I've seen on social media that it's apparently very squishy. Oh yeah, it feels squishy. Look, I just touch it like gently, so it's super pigmented. Okay, let's do a bit of a swatch. Ooh, hello, super pigmented. Wow, I think this will look amazing for inner eye corner brightening. Oh my god, this is so weird. Honestly, this is very squishy like, but it's actually powdery. It's not creamy. And then swatching it, it feels very creamy the way it's gliding. Ooh, hello there. Oh, I love this peachy color. Look at that! Oh my god guys, this is mega pigmented. Then we have very warm peachy, more like an orangey color. I really love this color though. Okay, then we have an electric green, like a minty color kinda. I'm going with the yellow, really like this yellow color. Super pigmented. So as all the colors are super bright and a little bit shimmery ones, this is gonna be a bit of a stepping out of my comfort zone as I don't really go for that kind of colors as I mentioned to you before. But I'm about to do this today. I think I'm gonna use mostly yellow because I don't know, I just really like this yellow color. My eyes are hooded, so always for hooded eyes are better to use a bit of a matte as a transition color. So for that, because we're going with NYX, I'm gonna use a NYX Lit Lingerie palette. I'm gonna go with this lighter color as my transition color and mix in a bit of this in as well. So gonna go slightly bit higher than my crease is. What I'm gonna do now, I'll jump in straight on with this yellow color and go on my mobile lid in the middle and then just blend the color around all my mobile lid. Oh wow, that packs, wow. I am loving this so far. Do you know what? I kind of want to add more of this orangey color in the inner and outer corner so it will look like a sunrise. Do you know what? I think I'm gonna take this peachy color in here and go in my inner eye corners with that. Because it's matching the transition color that we used. I think I'm gonna pack a little bit on the outer corner as well. I'll add a little bit more of our transition color with the same brush that I used before. So mixing these two colors just to give more definition to the eye. And for the lower lash line, just taking a small dense brush and gonna go with a NYX Lit Lingerie palette again in this lighter shade, and gonna go on the outer corner and inner corner, and then in the middle I'll add that shimmery yellow color. And then I'm going with this yellow color from Love You So Mochi palette in the middle on the lower lash line. And by the way, because the palette is so creamy itself, there's no fallouts, because if you think I'm using shimmers now, it would be fallouts, but there's none. So the eyes are nearly done, and next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some NYX Matte Liquid Liner and then a bit of mascara and we'll be done, I guess. and the eyeliner is on. And I thought before we're gonna go with mascara and falsies, I actually want a little bit more color on the outer corner, so I'm gonna add a little bit darker color from the Lit Lingerie palette, this brown color in here, tiny bit on the outer corners. And before we're gonna jump in with mascara, I'm gonna brighten the inner eye corner. And for my mascara, I'm gonna go with the NYX Worth the Hype mascara. I did the review on this. I'm gonna link it in here so you guys can check it out. And we are done. I actually was thinking to add some falsies, but I'm really happy with this Worth the Hype mascara at the moment, so I'm just gonna leave it the way it is now. So what do you guys think of this makeup look? So my verdict about this palette is it's really pigmented. It's very strange texture of the shadows. It feels like a Play-Doh, but it's actually a powder, which is very strange. It blends really easy, it glides really easy, it's really pigmented as you can tell. And yeah, I am really liking it. But yeah, I tried this today and I loved it, so definitely would recommend. I honestly want to try some of the color combinations and create some nice and interesting makeup looks. So thumbs up from me for this NYX Love You So Mochi palette. So really hope you guys find this review and tutorial helpful. If so, don't forget to press a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and I can't wait to share more videos to you guys, and I'll see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching and bye. Ciao.